Hi, I'm Jacques Pépin and I'm cooking at home. I love raw salmon in gravalax, in carpaccio, in ceviche. This is a variation of it, and I'm going to do a little cube like that as an hors d'oeuvre. It's done in a minute and it's absolutely delicious. Notice here I have the piece of the belly of the salmon. That's the best part for raw fish. Of course, as fresh as possible, that's always very important. And I will take the skin out of it here. What you do, you cut a little bit of the corner so that you can grab the skin, and then use your knife, pull out on the skin and use your knife as a jigsaw like this, flat, to be able to remove that skin here. We used to dry that skin. I put it into the oven, a dash of salt. Make sure that it's scaled. A dash of salt, and you make crackling like that, which is really good. So here, I am going to have a little cube of this. Okay, about that size. So I have 3, 6, 9, 10, about 16 little cube like this. A quarter of a teaspoon of salt in there at the most, and a quarter of a teaspoon of sugar. When I cure it, very often I cure it salt and sugar. I could serve it just like this actually. But here I'm going to do a sauce. A couple of, maybe a couple of teaspoons of sesame oil, a couple of teaspoons too of oyster sauce, and I'm going to do a bit of sriracha too, like a teaspoon. That's about it. Roll my thing in there. A couple of tablespoons that I was doing of chives here. I will coat all of that with this. Then actually, when I put the salt in it and the sugar, you should wait 10 minutes to let it cure a little bit. Okay. Here I am here. Maybe a little more chives on top, a little bit of sesame seed, give a bit of crunch on top. Look, I have maybe 2 teaspoons of it too. And that, easy to eat. I use toothpick. Usually I use regular toothpick. Those are really fancy toothpick that my wife has. So these has to be reused. And you do, and you go on. And this is my little way of an order. Delicious, easy to do. Happy cooking.